So it has finally arrived, and it is the card that I have been waiting for. So let's do the unboxing. Come in a FedEx package. See, is American Express. Okay. On the back, there's a tab. So we're gonna pull that tab. See, everything is about detail with them in the experience. Even as I open up the tab on the back, immediately, look at that. It says, welcome to the Platinum membership. That's one of the things I really like about American Express. I'm going to open it up. So there's nothing like the Platinum card. There is a card from the group president, Howard Grossfield. And it says, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the Platinum membership. Whether you're exploring new destinations or enjoying life closer to home, your Platinum card membership is designed to enhance your experiences. As a Platinum card member, you can enjoy exceptional travel benefits, including airport lounge access, as well as extraordinary dining and entertainment experiences. I hope membership through your Platinum card will inspire your next adventure. We look forward to serving you for years to come. And that's signed by Howard Grossfield, or Grossfield. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. And there's some additional information here. Welcome to the Platinum card membership. And it goes through a lot of the various amenities and options that you can take advantage of. So comes in a box like this. And we will open it up. It has like a magnetic little snap. So we open it up. Behold, the American Express Mirror Platinum card. So I hope that you enjoy the unboxing, and I would advise you to become an Amex member. They are world class in customer service. And as you can see, there's nothing like the Platinum card. Take care.